We're going in. Good morning, everybody. It's adventure time. I got in the car. Marcelo with me, my good friend.
What's up, buddies?
We got something very exciting planned for you today, so stay tuned. Hang with us for this wild adventure. All right, we just got here. First stop. Got the Rampage. And let's go catch up with our friends here. Oh man, what a beautiful day.
Yeah.
You guys ready?
What up? Ready.
All right, here's my ride for the day. Let's go do it.
Ready to fly.
Hell yeah. Rock, paper, scissors.
Oh, you got it.
All right, I'm flying first.
Hey.
So I got a terrible memory, but any pilot needs to be using a checklist before they're flying an airplane. Check every spot of the airplane that could kill you. One thing here, the oil is at 4.5 quarts. It needs to be at 7. So that's liable to seize the engine. So we gotta get some oil before we take off. I'm not gonna fly anywhere without that, but running through the checklist point by point, make sure we have a safe flight. Drink, baby, drink. Didn't have enough oil, 2 bottles, still not enough. I'm gonna grab some more. Seven quarts, baby, ready to go. So checking the gas here for any impurities or water in there. It looks clean to me. This one's for the homies. GPS here. I really want to bring the Rampage with us. I'm not sure it'll fit in the airplane. Let's see.
We'll see. If she's gonna be able to see that.
Quarter of a passenger. All right. That'll do it. Beautiful. Most important passenger. Just kidding. So just a quick word, guys. This video is sponsored by Fresh Clean Tees. The shirt I'm wearing is fresh, it's clean, it's a t-shirt. It's from Fresh Clean Tees. Go check them out. They're our sponsors for today, and they make some awesome t-shirts. No logos, nothing like that. I put the link in the description, and if you use my code ROB20, you're gonna save 20% off your order. It's super cheap. It's like 3 or 4 shirts for 30, 40 bucks, and they're incredible. The feeling in these shirts, super confident enough to go fly this airplane. So go check them out, guys. Let's do this. So, because of FAA regulations, I haven't flown in a while. Neither has Marcelo, and we're taking a passenger today. FAA regulations stipulate that you have to have 3 takeoffs and landings within the past 90 days to take a passenger. So I just did 3 touch and goes in the pattern. Good getting those in. Marcelo's about to do his. How are you feeling about it?
I'm feeling pretty excited.
I'll be honest, rate my landings. How were they?
They were 1 to 10, they were 10.
I would give my landings about a 4 or 5 out of 10. But we made it down. Now it's Marcelo's turn. So Marcelo just nailed his touch and goes. Me too. By nailed, I mean we safely landed, we didn't die, and we could fly the airplane again. A little rusty for me at least. Marcelo did an awesome job. Now we're filling up the plane and we're gonna go off to French Valley Airport. Yeah, French Valley Airport. Should be a fun flight. Let's do this. You ready?
Ready.
Yeah, are you scared?
No.
Do you trust our abilities?
Trust you guys. I'm excited.
That makes one of us.
What's up?
What you want me to do?
Check the oil.
Sick. Yeah, so when we took off, This plane should have at least 7 quarts of oil. It only had 4.5 when we came out to the airplane. Added like almost 3 quarts of oil to it. So gonna check that again, make sure it's not burning oil. Kind of planning out the route here. Should be a sweet flight. But who goes first? Let's do again rock, paper, scissors. Ready?
One time?
1, 2, 3. You got it.
This time, it's my time.
We're just listening to the weather report right now. Checking the winds, everything before takeoff. Looks like smooth sailing for us. This is our route here. You can see that. That's where we're going today.
So pattern altitude is 2400.
Marcelo's ready. Ready for takeoff. Just called it.
Listen, 15 Hotel, Brown Test, engine. 1 Hotel, Northeast departures approved, runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
26 right, clear for takeoff. 915 Hotel.
Marcelo, you're scaring me. Damn, look at that view. Wow.
I'm trying to practice some acrobatic maneuvers.
Emergency maneuvers. I think I just saw a chef puke back there. How you doing?
Good.
There we go. One red, one white.
Good, man.
Clear to land 4 Echo Romeo to runway 27.
It's go time, baby. Oh, Jesus. I had it in reverse. It's go time, baby. Malo chico. Firefighting airplane? Check out this aircraft right here. What is it called?
The OV-10 Bronco.
OV-10 Bronco. Beautiful. Goes 350 knots. So this is a Vietnam era airplane, and check it out. Look how high the tail is back here. That's to avoid like dirt and rocks from hitting it. And they used to have paratroopers jump right out the back. So you got the high tail, nothing to hit. So cool. All right, so that's Ramona Airfield. Now we gotta jet back to Brown. We're tight on time here. I'm flying, Marcelo, co-pilot. He's also got the GPS up, so let's do it. I'm not nervous at all, I swear. I got this. Clear prop. I bet you I can beat this guy. Hello. See you later, nerds. Unfortunately, we only brought 2 boards for 3 people, but Marcelo is trying out the Rampage right now. Let's see how he does. And I'm on the Dual. Doing great, man. That's the one in Commando. How was it, dude? What do you think?
It's like riding on a cloud.
Hell yeah.
So awesome. So comfy, so bouncy, so like, yeah, I can do this every day.
So go and get a Rampage already.
Go get it.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. That's today's vlog, and I encourage you to find a local flight club, find a flight instructor, and take a discovery flight. Go out and feel the joy of flying. You might love it, you might hate it and puke, but I want to see some more pilots out there. Special thanks to Marcelo for keeping us safe today.
You're
And
welcome.
Steph behind the camera there. If you enjoyed this vlog, guys, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell to see the next video first. Fly safe, guys. We'll see you. The adventure is not over yet. Sun's still up, so we're gonna get a surf in. Marcella's out here, Steph, and my brother joining for the shred sesh. Bonus vlog, let's go. Found it, bro. Alright, that's it for today's vlog. If you liked it, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. And like, comment, subscribe.